I think the phone is really important. I do think the financial services gateway will be important. I think that the most valuable thing.
What do you think about the stock split and the $130 billion capital plan?
I think, look, it's a company that's trying to please Wall Street. It didn't used to have to. Now it does. I think it's a huge milestone that they realize they do, and they're throwing some meat on that. I don't know how transformative it is, but I would also remind you, the more phones they sell, the more people they pull into an ecosystem where they make consistent money on apps, in-app purchases, and mobile advertising. I think more than anything else, controlling affluent customers around the world for their mobile ad network might be a way to keep these margins best on the street.
They got about 5 good things and 1 negative thing, so the net of it is definitely a positive surprise here. As you've talked about, they're doing a lot of engineering here. We'll take it. I think what's more important is that they're selling a lot of iPhones, and ultimately there's new product categories coming. They've given us enough to at least feed on here until those new products come out.
What do you think of Jonathan saying, though, look over here to get away from the bad tablet number?
Well, it's a disappointment. I think you got to look in the context of everything that they're saying today. And so, yes, it's a disappointment, but it's not was not the key driver.
Right? You say all those other things so that you don't notice that the tablet number is so bad.
Yeah, I mean, there's probably some of that goes on, but I think the reality is they're throwing a lot of stuff on the table, and it's just the reality is there are more important things to look at than the iPad number at this point.
Isn't the tablet a secondary device? Your phone is what you're going to be most dependent on, and that's going to be their gateway to your wallet, so to speak.
Cook says it's going to be a primary device.
Yeah, no, I think
remember, they are big on saying that the PC businesses running off tablets are taking it over. You don't want your tablet sales to fall in that environment.
Absolutely.
And also remember, China Mobile gives you a pop. We don't know if it recurs on the phones. It probably doesn't give you the pop on the tablets. That would be the cause for some concern.